the truth about Let's Make America Healthy Again that no one is talking about. Hi, I'm Vince Ferguson, president of Body Scope of New York and 6 Weeks to Fitness. Regardless of your political persuasion, you've heard the phrase, let's make America healthy again, implying that America was once a healthy nation. Now, it's true that as far back as the 1960s, there were very low rates of obesity. Physical labor was more common and food was less processed and much more healthier to consume. From the 1980s to present, obesity rates began to just skyrocket, especially with the rise of fast food, increased marketing of fast food, 24-hour cable television, video games, the internet, which includes social media. All these factors contribute to the rise in obesity. Making America healthy again is not a Republican thing, nor is it a Democrat thing. It's a human thing. All humans need and are entitled to good health. But sadly, 2/3 of the American population is either overweight or obese. And by 2030, it's predicted that over 50% of the adult population will be classified as obese, which means not only will chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease increase, but so will the rising cost of healthcare and, of course, the mortality rates. So when you talk about Make America Healthy Again, it's more than improving dietary habits. The American diet, highly processed, which loaded with sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. These foods contribute to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, to name but a few. But it's a well-known fact that Americans don't consume enough fruits and vegetables, which are essential for good health. You see, these whole foods also have fiber in it. And fiber acts like a broom that sweeps the toxic waste out of your body and improves gut health, which is so important. We also know that portion sizes in the US is totally out of control. We're eating too much, and that's why we're gaining so much weight. And we're eating too often. You don't have to eat 5-6 times a day. That's a recipe for disaster. It's also a well-known fact that Americans don't get enough physical activity. Many Americans have jobs that involve sitting for long periods, and leisure time is often spent in front of screens, again, social media, the internet, video games, rather than engaging in physical activity. Scientists are calling sitting the new smoking. There are also socioeconomic factors. Poverty can limit access to healthy food. Safe environments for exercise, basically non-existent when you have to worry about crime and other issues. Economic inequality also contributes to stress, which can negatively impact your health. Let's face it, when you worry about finances, it can be really tough on your body and your mind. But when it comes to making America healthy again, no one is talking about the importance of mental health. Yes, making America healthy again is more than just physical, it's mental as well. But mental receives less attention and funding. Mental health affects how we think, feel, act, and plays a major role in our ability to cope with stress, build relationships, and make healthy choices. Good mental health is essential for fulfilling life, allowing us to thrive in our personal and professional lives. Prioritizing mental health is not a sign of weakness, but rather a proactive step towards a healthier and happier life. To me, it's a sign of strength. Taking care of our mental health can involve various strategies, such as seeking professional help, practicing mindfulness, meditation, engaging in physical activity, and nurturing healthy relationships. Interacting with your friends and family. By recognizing the importance of mental health and taking steps to maintain it, we can improve our overall quality of life and contribute to a more compassionate and supportive society. So to truly make America healthy again, let's not leave out the importance of mental health. And if you'd like to receive more information like this, then please like, comment, subscribe. And you can also join my free school community. The link is below. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day.